Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet baby sweater designs model knitted with wool. Let's start the video. A crochet baby sweater design refers to a pattern or a style used to create a baby sweater using crochet techniques. These designs typically feature soft, lightweight yarn and a variety of stitches to create adorable and cozy garments for babies. Some key characteristics of crochet baby sweater designs include style, cardigan style, open front sweaters with bottom styles or snaps for easy dressing. Pullover style, sweater that are slipped over the baby's head, often with stretchy necklines. Ordered sweaters, sweaters with an attached hood for added warmth and cuteness. Twist sweaters, sleeveless designs for wearing over other clothes. Common design features patterns, often use basic stitches like single crochet, double crochet, or granny squares, as well as more advanced pictures like shell stitches, bubbles, or cables. Colors, pastel shades, gentle neutral hues, or bright colors, depending on personal preference. Details can include decorative elements like ruffles, black edging, or applique shapes, flowers, or animals. Size. Patterns are sized to fit babies of different ages, typically ranging from newborn to 24 months. Popular materials, yarn, baby-friendly yarns that are soft, lightweight, and hypoallergenic, like cotton or acrylic blends. Buttons or closures, simply fasten and smooth to avoid radiation or choking hazards. Example designs, classic button-up cardigan, simple and versatile for everyday wear. Lacy sweater, delicate and decorative, perfect for special occasions. Chunky sweater, made with thicker yarn for extra warmth in winter. Animated sweater, designed with animal ears or motifs for playful pets. Creating a crochet baby sweater can be a fun and rewarding process. Here are some additional tips to help you design or make a beautiful baby sweater. Choose the right yarn. Opt for soft, baby-friendly yarns that can gentle or sensitive skin. Look for labels that say baby yarn or hypoallergenic. Avoid wool if the baby might be allergic. Cotton or acrylic blends are great alternatives. Ensure the yarn is machine washable for easy maintenance. Select an appropriate hook size. Use the hook size recommended for your chosen yarn. Typically smaller hooks for baby garments to create a tighter, warmer fabric. This gear goes stitches per inch to ensure the sweater size turns out as intended. Plan for easy dressing. Design the sweater with features like wide necklines or button-up closures for easy on and off. Stitches wrapping around cuff necks and hem for comfort. Focus on safety. Avoid small, extensible embellishments like rings or buttons that could pose a choking hazard. Sew buttons or fasteners securely to ensure they won't come loose. Use soft and smooth closures like snaps or ties instead of sharp zippers. Customize the fit. Use a pattern with adjustable measurements or include extra rows or spaces for growing drum. Consider making slightly larger sizes so the baby can wear the sweater for longer. Incorporate fun design elements. Add decorative features like cute motifs, animal stars or flowers. Textured stitches like puff shell or popcorn stitches for visual interest. Color blocking or stripes to create a playful look. Personalize it with embroidered details or small appliques. Use clear patterns. Beginners should start with simple patterns using basic stitches like single crochet or double crochet. Intermediate crocheters can try more intricate designs with cables or lag. Add matching accessories. Create a matching belt, bottes, or mittens for a coordinated outfit. Consider adding a hood or pockets to make the sweater more functional. Work on this sort. Crochet a small sample to check your cost and ensure you are using the crochet tension. This step helps avoid sizing issues later on. Finishing touches. Lock the sweater if the yarn ends to even out the stitches and give it a polished look. Double check as seams and ease for durability and comfort. Bonus tip: if you are new to crochet, start with the basic cardigan design and practice. As you gain confidence, experiment with advanced stitches, multicolor designs, or customization. These baby sweater designs will help you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!